We are going through exercise 13D, and in this video I'm going to go through 4C. So this is another one in which we have to use our knowledge of quadratics. So I'm going to rewrite this like so. If you're up to C, I imagine that you've done this successfully 2 times prior, so I'm imagining there's a bit of a drop-off to the amount of people watching this video, but let's see how we go. As you can see here, I have this 2x, which is squared, then I have 2x, which isn't squared, then I have a constant. So that means what I'm going to say is let 2 to the x equal a. So this is going to be 3a squared minus 18a plus 24 equals 0. Now I have a common factor here. I can take out 3 each time. So this is going to become a squared. This is going to become 6a. And then, whoop, that worked. Then this is going to become 8 because 24 divided by 3 is 8. Now I'm going to factorize. So remember the way in which we factorize is I need 2 numbers that when I times together, I get positive 8. And when I plus together, I get negative 6. So what's that going to be? Let me just write out this. It's obviously going to be 4 and 2, and it's going to be negative 4 and negative 2, because 2 negatives are going to make a positive, so negative 4 times negative 2 will be positive 8, but when I plus them together, it's going to get me to negative 6. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve both of these, so remember, this equals to 0, so I'm going to set this equal to 0, and that's going to tell me that a is going to equal to 4, and then I'm going to set this one equal to 0, which is going to tell me that a is equal to 2. Then, once I'm here, let's remember that a equals 2 to the x. So that means this here is a 2 to the x. So I'm going to say that means 2 to the x equals 4 and 2 to the x equals 2. Now, in order for these to be true, that would have to mean that 2 to the x equals 2 to the 2, which means x equals, oh, that's such an ugly x. We didn't come this far to make that x ugly, equals 2. And then this is going to be 2 to the x equals, well, that's simply 2 to the 1. So therefore, x equals 1. And look at that. There are your answers. X equals 2 and x equals 1. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you.